Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Business Lab. I'm Ms. Stoppelbaum, and I teach Digital Information Technology, which is DIT, Business 1 and 2, and I teach Computer Apps in Business, which we shorten to CAB, C-A-B. As you can see, we have a computer lab that has 30 computers. The screen here holds their welcome message normally. Then the board, I keep the access codes and information they need with the materials. Online, I have that on their welcome week page. And then here's the video of the room. Oh. Mm, mm. Hi, welcome to the Business Lab. I teach Business 1 and 2. The first course of which is Digital Information Technology, DIT, and then I also have a CAB course, which is Computer Applications in Business. This is a picture of the lab, and this is a video walk. In the business classes, the students can earn the specialist, which is Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, and then a fourth for college credit would be Access. With this, the Career Ready, DIT, and the business students, these are the different certifications that they can get. The Microsoft Office, the MTA, which is Microsoft Technology Associate, the Access, the Outlook for email, and the Expert for Excel and PowerPoint. Then the computer apps in business, they get Word Essentials, Spreadsheet Essentials, PowerPoint Essentials with its media, and then a Communication Essentials, which is a lot of email and different types of writing. What can they do for you? The Gold Seal, the certificate or the certification for free college credit. You get a step against others that are applying for the same positions, resume building, career step, and business skills. being fluid. It's changed us this year, and we have a lot to be prepared for. Positive behavior, both in class and online, is important. Some of the kids are just learning that they can't just say anything in a chat that they would like to. It's inappropriate for class time. What I am seeing is some of the kids are logging in and then not coming back to the class. They're just logging in and leaving. Or one child said that he was doing a worksheet for English instead of doing the work for the class. When our class time, it is appropriate for them to be online and in the class, whether they're in person or at home, they should be doing that class's work. Here's a focus parent and student view. You see that the classes are here. If you click those, it'll take you to the class web page, and that'll give you information that the class may be announcing. When sending an email, especially for the students, some of them aren't understanding that this subject line is very important, and they have to put in there, say my grade, and then this is the grade that they want me to look at for like archery. Please check my archery grade, and have their name. If they're using their home email, I may not know who it's from. If the parents have a different name from the student, I need the student last name in there also. I don't know unless you tell me, or I don't know unless you ask me. Always help me by communicating what your needs are. And just a little bit about me. I like to ride motorcycles, dirt bikes, horses. I play baseball with my grandson. I go barrel racing with my granddaughter. We're pretty busy, and in class we do what we need to do also.